All right, let's talk about that search for the perfect late-night snack. You know, that cozy, satisfying treat that just hits all the right notes before you settle in for the night. Well, I think we found it.
We've all been there, right? The day's over, you're finally on the couch, and that little craving just creeps in. It's not a full-on hunger, but you want something. Something more than just digging into a bag of chips. And that's where it gets tricky. You want something comforting and a little sweet, but your brain is telling you that a heavy, sugary snack right before bed, well, that's probably not the best idea. So what's the answer to this nightly dilemma? Okay, so what if I told you the search is over? We found a solution that really does tick all the boxes. It's satisfying, it's sweet, it's cozy, and it's surprisingly light. It's the perfect answer. And here it is: honey cinnamon popcorn. This description just says it all, doesn't it? A cozy, lightly sweet snack that's perfect for winding down. It's not just popcorn, it's practically an experience designed for those quiet, end-of-day moments. So what is it about this specific recipe that makes it so perfect for the evening? It really goes beyond just the taste. It's about how it makes you feel. Let's dive into exactly why it works so well. Let's break down the magic here. First, it's light, but it's also really satisfying. You get that crunch and volume you're craving without feeling weighed down. Second, the sweetness is just a gentle touch from honey, so you're not going to get that awful sugar crash. And third, and this is a big one, the warm smell of cinnamon and honey, it's basically relaxation in a bowl. And you know what the best part is? This incredible bowl of goodness isn't some complicated hour-long project. Nope, it is ridiculously simple, and even more importantly, it is fast. That's right, we're talking about 10 minutes, from start to finish. That's probably less time than it takes you to decide what to watch on TV. It is the absolute definition of a quick and rewarding treat. And look at this ingredient list. It could not be simpler. All you need is some popcorn, a bit of honey, a little butter or coconut oil, and a dash of cinnamon and sea salt. Seriously, you probably have all of this in your kitchen right now. And the process is just as easy. You just melt your drizzle ingredients, stir in the spices, toss it all over the popcorn, and then, if you want, you can finish it with some add-ins. 4 simple steps. That's it. Okay, but here's the one pro tip you really need to know. When you're melting the butter and honey, keep that heat low. You're just looking for it to get silky and combined. Don't let it boil. This is what keeps the coating light and delicate instead of turning into a hard, sticky candy. Now, this part is where the real fun begins because you can make it totally your own. You want some more crunch? Throw in some roasted almonds or pecans. Feeling a little decadent? Toss in some dark chocolate chips once it's cooled down a bit. Or, for a little chewy tartness, dried cranberries are amazing in this. So once you've mixed it all together, this is what you're left with. Your own perfect personal bowl of cozy. But believe it or not, how you serve it can actually change the whole experience. For that ultimate maximum cozy factor, you've got to serve it warm. The heat just makes that cinnamon and honey aroma bloom, and you get that incredibly satisfying fresh out of the pan crunch with every single bite. So you've really got 2 amazing options here. You can serve it right away for that perfect warm, crispy crunch. Or if you let it sit for just a few minutes, the honey glaze cools and gets this wonderful, slightly chewy texture. Honestly, it's a win-win either way. So there you have it, the ultimate solution for your late-night snack craving. It's fast, it's simple, and it's pretty much designed for winding down. The only question left is, when you make your bowl, what are you going to add to make it perfectly yours?